Well, you see, ozone is a naturally occurring gas, which is composed of 3 oxygen molecules. Now, these oxygen molecules are in a layer of our atmosphere, which is located between 10 and 30 kilometers above the Earth's surface. Now, why is it so important, you might ask? Well, the ozone layer is extremely important in protecting us from harmful UV rays, which will cause sunburn and possibly skin cancer.
Oh, I see. Well, what's destroying this ozone layer?
The most harmful thing to the ozone layer are chlorofluorocarbons, or CFCs. Now, these CFCs were used as propellants in aerosol cans and as coolants in refrigerators and air conditioning. Now, these are very harmful to the environment when these air conditioners or refrigerators are not disposed of properly and the CFCs are released into the environment.
How do these so-called CFCs work?
So what happens is CFCs are released into the environment by industries, aerosols, refrigerants that aren't properly recycled. Now, when these CFCs go up into the atmosphere, they react with sunlight, which causes them to release their chlorine. This chlorine then goes and steals an oxygen molecule from the ozone. As this continues, depletion gets bigger and bigger and the hole in the atmosphere gets larger. So let's imagine that you're wearing a pair of pants and it's got a giant hole in it. That's not going to provide much protection for you. It's the same thing with the ozone layer. As the hole gets bigger, we are less and less protected from the sun's UV rays. Now, this affects us as humans by causing sunburn and skin cancer, but will also cause plants on Earth to dry up and lose water and eventually die.
So how can we stop the hole in the ozone from getting any bigger?
Well, we can prevent the ozone from continuing to be depleted by using less aerosols and properly recycling our refrigerators and air conditioners. Also, laws have been passed that require companies not to use CFCs, and instead they're using HCFCs, which stands for hydrochlorofluorocarbons. These are a little less harmful to the ozone and hopefully will allow the ozone to replenish itself properly.